Okay, so it is relevant. NEET exam, the question pattern and the syllabus. Okay, one small recap. So this is in this year pattern, NEET exam 2021. So maybe next year they will change. We don't know that. The application process and all you will know next year, not now. Okay. So main thing, the question paper pattern. Physics, section A, section B. Two section it is there. Section A 35 question, section B 15 question. Okay, but see here, section B it is a 15 question. Out of the 15 question, candidate can choose attempt any 10 question. So out of 15, you can choose any 10. So 35 it is confirmed. You want to attend all the question. So in this 15 question, you should attend any 10. So same for chemistry also. In biology, botany and zoology, same pattern it is applicable. And the marking scheme, so negative 1 mark, one question is wrong means one is correct, you will get 4 marks. See that. And one more thing, see here, the unanswered or unattempted question will be given no mark. In case of a question is dropped or ignored, all the candidates will give the 4 mark, irrespective of the fact whether the question has been attempted or not attempted by the candidate. If you are not attended or it is unanswered, so there is no problem. In case that question is dropped means you will get 4 marks. Another one. This one. Any one of the multiple correct, the best option mark will be given for 4 marks. In case option A, B, C, D. So you feel C and D is the correct answer. But board will consider C is the accurate, 100% okay. This is the proper answer. So board will select option C. D also correct, but board will give only mark for option C. This one. So test pen and paper only using a ballpoint pen, OMR sheet. There is no online based exam. So language. So you are selecting English means it will come only English. Tamil means Tamil and English. The exam centers no need for the control. Age limit. Yeah, you can see the age limit up to 25 years. This is all India quota, 50%. So all Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Delhi, everywhere. That is the all India quota, 15%. So one college, for example, Salem Medical College it is there, no? So 100 seat it is means in 100, 15 seat it is central government, remainder 85 seat state government. In this 85 seat only, it is based on Tamil Nadu counseling. In the 15 sheet, it is based on All India counseling. This is a pattern 10 plus 12. So 10 standard again plus 2. Plus 2 means 11th and 12th. And 10 plus 12 plus 3 also there. You are joining colleges also. You are studying 3 years, like example botany, zoology, physics, chemistry. 3 years also. After also you can write the NEET exam. So this is a community-based reservation now. So minimum 12th standard more than 60% mark means there is no problem for all the community. For all the colleges, all India quota, state government, central government, and management seat. So the AIMS and the JIPMER. So all the colleges, it is based on NEET exam mark only.
For NEET.
Hello, tell me, bhai.
For NEET, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Medical colleges only NEET mark. The 12th standard mark it is eligible. So more than 60% you are scoring 12th standard means it is the eligible. So you are ready to join NEET exam. A NEET exam you are scoring maximum mark. That is based on the cutoff. That cutoff pattern I will tell you after. Okay. For in this year BVSC, Bachelor of Veterinary Science also they added. For the All India quota, 15%. Is a reservation policy for MBBS and the BDS. So AIFMC, Armed Force Medical College, Army Force Medical College also there. It is also based on NEET exam. I think so, 110 seat I think. Is the qualified and eligible. syllabus. For the physics, listen. The state syllabi as well as were prepared by the CBSE, NCERT and the COBSE. Okay, only the syllabus based on CBSE, NCERT and various board also there. Tamil Nadu board, Karnataka, Andhra, any board, but all the board it's covered with the CBSE and the NCERT syllabus. The syllabus physics, physical world and measurement, kinematics, laws of motion. So now in these 3 chapters we almost completed. Work energy power, system of particle, gravitation, properties of bulk matter, thermodynamics, KT, kinetic theory, oscillation and waves. 10 chapters, that is the 10 topics. Next, class 12, electronics, that is the electrostatistics, current, electricity, magnetic effect, electromagnetic induction, AC, EM wave, optics, dual nature, atom and nuclei, electronic device. 9 chapters, that is the 9 topics. Like the chemistry also, chemistry syllabus. Next, biology, 11th and 12th. Okay. In physics, a detailed syllabus, scope and excitement, natural or physical law, physics and technology and society, that one line. After that, the unit and measurement, the 5 units, the instrument, measuring instrument, error measurement, significant figures, dimension of physical quantity, dimension analysis and application. Frame of reference, scalar and vectors, unit vectors, scalar product and vector product, projectile motion, circular motion. So now we are discussing Newton's first law, second law, third law, impulse, the law of conservation of linear momentum and application, the equilibrium of the concurrent forces, friction, banked road, that is the dynamic of uniform circular motion. So this is in this year syllabus. So maximum it is applicable for next year also. So almost we are covering both for competitive exam as well as board exam. So not only NEET exam, for all the exam, physics it is standard. So only I am saying kindly prepare yourself. Day by day you are preparing for one topic or one small problem. It is enough to get good marks. Minimum. Without learning at least 1 or 2 problems or 1 or 2 topics, it is best. Okay, any doubt? You want to ask anything relevant NEET exam? Okay, thank you. So yesterday I given one problem, a force act on a body of a mass 5 kg for 4 seconds. The force then stop acting and the body covers 40 meter in the next 4 seconds. Calculate the force. I received some students homework, really very good. Keep it up, do it. The formula, 3 equation of motion formula design. So V is equal to U plus AT, one formula. So another one, the speed formula. Speed equal to distance divided by time. Okay. Now from the question, mass 5 kg, time 4 seconds, the distance, that is a S value 40 meter. position and time. So based on that, I will find the value of velocity, first condition. So initial velocity, that is a 10 meter per second, equation number 1. So next, using the 3 equation of formula, V is equal to U plus AT. So V value, the V value, no? V value 10, starting, it is the stop, no force, then the stop the acting. So it is the 0 plus A into next 4 seconds, T value 4, then acceleration A equal to 2.5 meter per second square. Now force formula, they are asking calculate the force. So F equal to ma, mass into acceleration. So m value 5 kg, a value 2.5, then you will get answer 12.5 Newton. Please note it. Okay. So next problem. Example 7. The driver of a three-wheeler moving with a speed 36 km per hour. So moving with a speed 36 km per hour. See a child standing in the middle of the road and bring his vehicle to rest. So rest means what? That is a final. So V value. So V equal to 0. Initial velocity U value 36 km per hour. So 1 kilometer, it is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour, it is equal to 3600 seconds. That is a 5 by 18 in 4 seconds. So time limit 4 seconds. Just in the time to save the child. What is the average retarding force? So retarding force means negative on the vehicle. The mass of the three-wheeler 400 kg and the mass of the driver 65 kg. So 400 plus 65, 465, that is the total mass. So because we should take all the masses. In case passenger it is having, that passenger mass also we should add 400 plus 65, 465 total mass. Now we want to find the force. Maximum students, they are asking force only, no. So F is equal to ma. Find the force. Just you are writing the formula, force formula you are writing means you will get 1 mark. 1 mark or half mark based on the question, 3 mark or 5 mark question. Now, m value they given 400 again 65. Then acceleration. So in this acceleration purpose only, you want to think how many formulas it is there. See that V is equal to U plus AT. So one formula it is there. And one more formula, V square equal to U square plus 2AS, second formula. And S is equal to ut plus half at square. 3 formula it is there. So in this 3 formula, which condition it is possible? Initial velocity, final velocity, time. In this situation, you can use first formula. For this one, you want to know about the value of position. S value, initial velocity, time, For in this formula, final velocity, initial velocity, and position. Again, read the question. The driver of a three-wheeler moving with speed. This is the initial velocity. Say 36 km per hour. See a child standing in the middle of the road and bring his vehicle to rest. So vehicle comes to rest, means that is the final velocity. So v is equal to 0. The time limit 36 km per hour to 0. It is taking time limit 4 seconds. Okay. See that u value, v value, t value. So based on that, only first formula is applicable. So v is equal to u plus at. V value final velocity 0, initial velocity 10, a value into 4. So negative acceleration, retardation, because applying brake, the acceleration is decreasing. So you will get a is equal to minus 2.5 meter per second square. In case you don't know the proper answer, but you know the formula, in these three formulas, v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square equal to u square plus 2as, and f equal to ma formula. Just you are writing the formula alone, you will get 1 mark or 2 marks. And the proper SI, some students, they are not mentioning the proper unit, whether it is seconds or whether it is and one more thing also, listen. Same formula, I didn't say the student's name. You know that they are writing like this. Just 1 second. Okay, this only this problem will complete. I will tell you the remarks. So just after the f equal to ma, mass into acceleration, then the retarding force, so 1162.5 Newton. Yes. V square equal to u square plus 1 by 2 2as. What is this? Why you are using cap? Some students, they are using cap. But this is physics class, not computer. This formula also, s is equal to ut plus half a t square, no, t cap 2. This is a very simple formula. Maximum we are using in this formula first onwards. More than 2 months I am explaining the same formula. But still no, you not remember how to write. The question paper and read the question properly. In question paper I given only two, A and B. In material A and B and C also they are writing everything. So read the question properly and attend. So don't make like these mistakes. So definitely we know that how you are writing. Yes. So like this question now, give the magnitude and direction of the net force acting on with the reason. The drop of rainfall down with a constant speed. The raindrop is falling down with a constant speed. The force acting on it 0. Because of constant speed, the acceleration equal to 0. So acceleration 0 means net force also 0. But proper explanation is important. Just you are writing 0, 0, no, yes. 1 more question means okay, 2 more question means okay. But 5 more question, give me the reason. Please note it, this one also. Sorry. Yes, ma'am. Next screen, 1 minute. Okay, frictionless pulley. One minute. Okay, two masses. It is connected with the frictionless pulley. Okay, this is M1, This is M2. The tension, so tension also kind of force T. It is upward direction. So now you want to find the acceleration. So another one, the common tension, the frictionless pulley. They will ask what is the acceleration. Another one, find the tension, T value. So tension also kind of force only. Listen. For the first one, based on the F is equal to ma formula, it is a force equal to mass into acceleration. So same formula, it is moving up direction. So mass m1 and applying acceleration, that is small a. m1a, it is equal to T minus, T means tension, minus the mass, it is no, the gravity is downward direction. That is the m1g. So you will get m1g. Same method for m2 also. m2a, the mass of second object, applying acceleration a. So it is equal to m2g minus t. Okay, from the diagram you can understand one thing. So which is greater mass, which is lighter mass? So m2 is the heavier. Is a m2g. m2 value is greater compared to m1. So that you will get m2a, it is equal to m2g minus tension. Then only you get the force value. So just add equation number 1 and 2. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. You will get I will write common a. Common a equal to m1 plus m2. Equation number 1 and 2 you should add 1 plus 2. It is equal to, so minus plus t minus t is cancelled. So remainder m2 minus m1 into g. Already I said I need only the value of small a. Small a means acceleration. The common acceleration a equal m2 minus m1 divided by m1 plus m2. So using in this formula, this is equation number 3. We can find the value of the acceleration of the pulley. Listen, in the small diagram it is done, that only I will explain. So this is mass m1. Okay. Now the weight, it is downward direction, no. So direction of weight, it is a downward. The weight formula mass into gravity. So that m1 g. So up direction, it is based on the resultant, otherwise tension. For in this pulley purpose, we mention as the tension. Weight downward direction, tension upward direction. Same for M2 also. This is action and reaction. It is based on Newton's third law of motion. Every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So weight is the downward direction, tension is the opposite direction, upward direction. So no need derivation, just to note the formulas. Draw the diagram, frictionless pulley. This is the formula. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Please note it. Okay. So next to finding the tension, T equal to M1 M2 divided by M1 plus M2 into G. This is equation number 4. So maximum gravitational relevant and Newton third law relevant. The frictionless pulley they are asking now, because the frictionless pulley is based on action and reaction type. You want to understand the concept. So which is heavier mass, which is lighter mass, so what is the direction, so how to find the common acceleration. Completed. Okay. So next one, the principle of conservation of linear momentum. The principle of conservation of momentum, the initial momentum, it is equal to final momentum. Initial momentum, it is equal to the final momentum. For that, I will take two bodies now, two different objects. The first object, initial momentum and final momentum. Listen. So two bodies, A and B. Momentum P1, momentum P2. P1 plus P2. So this is the initial momentum. So initial momentum, it is equal to final momentum after the collision. That is P1 dash, otherwise A1 plus P vector A2. Okay, initial momentum P1 plus P2, final momentum P vector A1 plus P vector A2. So both also it is equal. The principle of conservation of momentum. The momentum formula P is equal to mass into velocity. So using in this formula, you will get M1. So mass of the body M1. So this is M2. M1 initial velocity U1 plus for the second object mass of the body M2 initial velocity U2. It is equal to final momentum M1 final velocity V1 plus M2 V2. Take a note. U1 U2 initial velocity, V1 V2 final velocity, M1 and M2, that is the mass of the object 1, mass of the object 2. The principle of conservation of linear momentum. The initial momentum is equal to final momentum. The system remaining constant. Please note it. Okay, so today class we discussed about the principle of conservation of linear momentum and based on 3 equation of motion problems and force relevant problems. Next is the frictionless pulley, that basic formula. So remainder things we'll discuss next class. On the today homework, so kindly complete the classwork. Refer NCERT book properly and you can write the classwork. Thank you.